Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add emergency contacts on your Android phone. So here, you can start by clicking on the settings app on your phone. So I'm using a Vivo phone, an Android phone. And to set emergency contacts, you can just scroll down and find this safety and emergency settings. So tap on that and you can see my emergency contact is currently 0, so you can just click on emergency contacts and here click on the plus icon to add contacts. So to help in an emergency, people can view and call these contacts without unlocking your device. So in case something happened to you, people can easily find this emergency contact without having to unlock the phone. So I'm going to just click on add contact and then find the contact. For example, I'm going to add this contacts right here, and after that it has been saved. You can add more than one. In case someone or this person is not picking up, you can add more than one. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.